Hi everyone, welcome to AppliCad's first Roof Wizard tips and tricks. The first little tip is for an issue that is fairly common, and this is if your dialog box isn't appearing after selecting one of the menus. And this can be for a couple of reasons. This could be because you've disconnected a second screen or you've got another program open that's covering that window. So if you've got a dialog box that is off screen or not appearing, simply click F4 and that will result in that dialog box appearing back to the center of the screen that your software is on. So again, if you have any box that isn't appearing, simply click F4 and that will dart back to the center. Simple as that.